It's Sunday morning. Today we are going to make pancakes. Are you ready? First, let's check the ingredients. Milk, an egg, flour, baking powder, cinnamon, brown sugar, salt, and olive oil. Cooking tools: 2 bowls, a big bowl, and a small bowl. A fork, 2 spoons, a big spoon and a small spoon. A spatula. This is for flipping the pancakes in the frying pan. And a measuring cup to measure ingredients. Okay, let's make pancakes. First, measure 1 cup of flour. 150 grams of flour, 1 cup of flour. Okay, and let's pour the flour into the bowl. Next, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Teaspoon. 1, 2. Next, some brown sugar. How much sugar do you want to add? Let's do 3 scoops of sugar. 1, 2, 3. And cinnamon. Okay. Let's mix it. Mix. Oh, salt. 1 tablespoon of salt. Okay. And mix. Next, we crack 1 egg into the small bowl. Ready? Next, let's add 1 cup of milk. Mix the milk and eggs. This is the dry mixture. Flour, sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, okay? And we pour the wet mixture in. And mix. Next, we add some oil, about 1 tablespoon. Okay. Now it's time to cook the pancakes. Let's go to the kitchen. Let's add some oil to the frying pan. Turn on the fire. This is a ladle. It's like a big spoon. We use it to scoop the pancake batter and pour it into the frying pan. Look, we can see a lot of bubbles. That means it's time to flip the pancake. That's okay. I'll eat it with maple syrup. It's from Canada. It's good. It's a little salty. I put 1 tablespoon of salt in the recipe, but I think the real recipe is 1 teaspoon of salt. Do you understand? I used 1 big spoon of salt, but the recipe is 1 small spoon. But it's okay. It's good. Have a good day, everyone. See you. And now it's time to clean up.